Hi guys, what's going on? I hope everyone's having a great evening. This is a product that I recently purchased. I'm really into the fall and I love Bath and Body Works. They make such great products that you can purchase in their store, other stores, online. A lot of options for you there. Since it's the fall and I'm trying to get into the fall season, since now the air is getting a little cooler, I wanted to buy a couple candles that are fall fragrance, and I came across this one. I had purchased this actually a couple years back. I think they always they come out with new ones, but I think they always bring back like the seasonal candles every year, because I noticed this year it has a new label, but they also had I was confused because when I went to the store I noticed they had a couple Marshmallow Firesides with different labels, so I didn't know if it was all the same candle or different scents or what the story was. But yeah, they do have like about 3 or 4 different labels. So if you guys are looking online and you happen to see a different label, it's going to be the same candle, the same scent, and it's all going to be the same, just repackaged differently, even maybe with a different top. So this is a Bath and Body Works 3-wick seasonal fall candle. It's the perfect 3-wick candle. It's made using the highest concentration of fragrance oils, an exclusive blend of soy-based wax and wicks that won't burn out. Our candles melt consistently and evenly, radiating enough fragrance to fill an entire room. Topped with a decorative lid, burns approximately 25 to 45 hours and measures 4 inches wide and 3.5 inches tall. The fragrance is toasted marshmallow, smoldering woods, fire roasted vanilla, and crystallized amber. The product dimensions are 4 by 4 by 3.5 inches. The item weight is 1.11 pounds, and the shipping weight is 1.65 pounds. So if you guys are looking for something delicious, like anytime we burn it, it really smells like a marshmallow is burning, and it's going to make you want a marshmallow or some more. Toasted marshmallows, delicious. It's pretty sweet, but not like overly sweet as far as the scent goes, so that's totally fine. And just the scent just reminds me of like marshmallows in a crisp winter night, or like even a s'more. It's just really nice and almost like vanilla-y, and I love it. If you like a nice sweet scent, something different, then I think that you will really like it and really go for this product. And I think that this is definitely a fan favorite as far as the Bath and Body Works candles go. I know that they are very, very popular and I love it. So it makes a great gift for you or someone else. My sister-in-law shares an October birthday with me, and I purchased her one of these and she absolutely loves it. So this is the top. I think it's pretty. It's kind of fall-y. It's like woodsy, some trees and some mountains, kind of cool. I'm not sure what the lid is. I want to say it's aluminum. And here's the 3-wick. I'm smelling it right now. It's delicious. Delicious. Makes me want to eat a marshmallow. In the back here says Bath and Body Works Marshmallow Fireside scented candle. Fragrance notes made with cedar wood and Palo Santo essential oils with notes of toasted marshmallow and vanilla. High concentrations of rich fragrance oils deliver room-filling fragrance. Created with premium lead-free wicks, 100% crafted with you in mind, 100% satisfaction guaranteed, and like we said before, burns approximately 25 to 45 hours. Our patented soy blend wax is formulated to provide the best fragrance experience. Just a warning: to prevent fire and serious injury, burn candle within sight. Never burn a candle on or near anything that can catch fire. Keep out of reach of children and pets. Trim wicks to 1/4 inch before each relighting. Keep all objects, including matches and wick trimmings, out of the candle. Do not burn candle for more than 3 to 4 hours at a time, and don't extinguish with water. Allowed to cool before relighting. Keep out of giraffes. 14.5 ounces. There's the Bath and Body Works distributor. 95 West Main Street, New Albany, Ohio. Shop at bathandbodyworks.com. And like I said before, they have it on other sites as well. And this is recyclable. So, oh my goodness. I can't get over the scent. I just want to like bite into a marshmallow right now. It smells so good. So, like I said, if you guys are looking for a gift for somebody or just a nice fall scent to have in your house, I love this, and I break the rules. I don't just burn this in the fall. You could do it any season. It works for any season. So I think it's a beautiful label, but I think all their labels are really pretty. Like I said, they have like 3 or 4 other ones for the same candle. So I hope that you guys will try it, and I hope you love it, and I hope you found the video useful. Thanks for watching.